If you own a Google Pixel 7 and have been experiencing slow and sluggish performance, you're not alone. Many users have reported issues with their Pixel 7 slowing down over time, and it can be frustrating to deal with. In this video, we will show you how to fix a sluggish Pixel 7 and make it become more responsive. But before moving on, please take a moment to like and share our video. This will help us reach more people who may be facing issues with their device. Alright, now let's continue. Here's what you can do. First solution: close apps running in the background. If your phone is running slowly or the battery is draining quickly, there may be too many apps running in the background. To close these apps, go to the Recent Apps menu by swiping from the bottom of the screen and stopping in the middle. Then swipe up or down to close each app. You can also just swipe all the way to the right and tap Clear All. Second solution: restart the phone. Restarting your phone can help to resolve many common issues, such as freezing or crashing. Press the power button and the volume up key to view the power menu. Tap on Restart and your Pixel 7 will immediately reboot. Just wait until it becomes active again, and then try sending an MMS to see if it goes through this time. If still not, then move on to the next solution. Third solution: check the storage. If your phone is running out of storage, it can cause issues such as slow performance or crashing apps. To check your storage, go to Settings and Storage. If you're running low on storage, try deleting unnecessary files or moving them to an external storage device. Fourth solution: check for firmware update. Outdated firmware can also cause issues with your phone's performance. To check for a firmware update, go to Settings and System and System Update. If an update is available, download and install it to ensure that your phone is running the latest software. Fifth solution: factory reset your phone. If none of the above troubleshooting procedures resolve your issue, a factory reset may be necessary. This will erase all data from your phone, so make sure to back up any important data before doing this. To factory reset your phone, go to Settings, then System and tap on Reset options. Tap on Erase All Data, Factory Reset, and follow the on-screen instructions. After the reset, set up your phone as a new device and it should work properly. If not, then it's time to have a technician check it for you. We hope that this troubleshooting guide can help you one way or the other. Thanks for watching.